Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Algorand. Wanted to do a full updates for those of you who are interested in Algorand. We'll go over the technicals mostly. I mean, there's obviously fundamental developments to talk about as well, but ultimately, I think it's most important to talk about the price and the technicals and the news and the development. Is usually also included in the price. It's all priced in. But we're going to do a full update. Hope you all had a good Valentine's Day. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend so far. Now let's get right into it. Now, Algorand is a coin that I have on my watch list. I know quite a lot of you are interested in that as well, even though I do think that the interest has gone away a little bit after the recent price action. Which, to clarify, I don't even think the price action for Algorand is that bad. I mean, if you compare to other altcoins, we're actually still holding on relatively fine. I mean, we're at the same levels right here as we were the 27th of November. That's pretty good, all right? However, I mean, obviously there's much less volume. I mean, if you take a look at the volume right here, in November we had volumes of over $1 billion, and the volume has decreased a lot. So that's in general what's going on with Algorand. I mean, the whole narrative. Same thing with Hedera, these older coins, these dino coins, veteran coins, whatever you want to call them. There's a ton of names you can give them. They're not gaining that much momentum, all right, and that's also reflected in the price. The price basically after the crash we had on Monday is holding up fine, right? So we're holding this level, I would say, on top of 25 cents, but it's more so 26 cents. We're holding that support level fine. However, since we did that, if you take a look at that, the volume has been steady but decreasing, all right? It has been steadily decreasing, and outside of that, there's really been no momentum at all, and that is very different from what happened during this consolidation right here in December and the beginning of January, where we were neutral, right? The price was not bullish, but the price was bouncing in this consolidation. The main support of that consolidation was 32 cents, and we have broken below that. So therefore, I think Algorand is in this weird position where it's still relatively bullish compared to other altcoins, and it's holding a strong support level. But from that strong support level, it's gaining no new inflow of capital, no real momentum. Well, it does have to get this reclaim above 32.5 cents to turn, as bullish again as it was in January, and still the beginning of February as well. So the big question is well, do I expect that? And that's a hard question, because the big thing is well, can we actually get this reclaim, yes or no? And for now, I'm actually going to tell you that I think the answer is yes. And that's based upon two things. First of all, I think Bitcoin short term looks quite bullish. Second of all, I think the Bitcoin dominance looks quite bearish. And then third of all, I think the total 3, which is the altcoin market cap, I think that's turning more bullish here as well. I think that has reversed, and I think this has more bullish momentum. Now, I do think that getting this reclaim and getting this bullish momentum for Algorand is completely dependent on the markets, all right? Unless we see some sort of an inflow or some sort of new hype building for these dino coins, I don't see Algorand all of a sudden breaking out on its own. Like I said, there is no momentum, the volume is dropping down, and there's no sign right now that that's going to come back. Now, if it comes back, the situation changes, and then we can easily do something like this. But for now, yes, I do expect it. I expect us to be stable and eventually to reclaim back above that level. However, it is dependent on the markets, right? So right now the markets look good. If something happens, if some news comes in, if Bitcoin rejects and the Bitcoin dominance goes up again, then you can throw this off the table, or at least move it a little bit in the future, because then we will still consolidate on top of this level for much longer, because I do think Algorand is quite stable before ultimately doing something like this. But I'll keep you updated on that. That's what I think you need to know regarding Algorand right now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.